Hello everybody, I'm Pirom. In this video clip, I'd like to explain you how to use all operator, and the operator have a lot like assignment operator, unary operator, increment operator, decrement, arithmetic, logic, bitwidth, and ternary. But in the first time, I show you how to use the assignment operator first. And what is the operator assignment? Operator assignment is the operator that serves to enter a value in a variable or constant. And also the operator assignment is denoted by a equal sign. And this whole code we example about to use assignment operator. For the first, the assignment operator, we know that I told you we use it by equal sign. And for a equal 10, it means that we have assigned the value 10 to a, and b also we have assigned value 4 to b, and this we just to print out the value of a and b. And now let's see the result. Yes, when we have run, it will be so like this: value a equal 10 and b equal 4. And now how to use the assignment operator, I was explained, now have finished. And next time I would to explain you how to use unary. What is unary? Unary operator is only involves an operand like type of operation for creating a positive value or create a negative value, or addition, increment, or reduction, decrement. And next, I explain you the word code in this operator unary. In the operator unary, it's like this. In first time we declare the for variables, that two variables are integer and two variables are the ball. And this statement in line 10 also, it means that the e equal e plus 8 like this. And the 11 line is this statement mean that f equal f minus 3.14. And for the line 12 answers, we just print out e and f. And the 14th line, it means that g equal g minus e, and 15 mean half equal half minus f like this. And for the 16 and 17, we just to print out the value of g and half. So we see the result together. Yes, the result will be so like this. And now for my explanation about unary was finished. And next we saying about increment. What is increment? Increment operator is an increase in a value that occurs in a variable. Operator is used to increase operator by we have sign plus, and the operator serves to add the value of a variable with a value on 1, and the increment operator have two types, which is pre-increment and post-increment. And pre-increment will make it a value before the variable is processed, and post-increment will opposite, where the process was done first, like I show you in this code. In first we have to the data type. The data type integer have two variables I and j, and each I store 5 value, and for the line 10 we just to print out the I, no more, and 11 line we pre-increment to I. It means that I will be plus with 1, and then so, and 12 it will be so the set value, because it get the value from the free increment on the 11 line, and in 15 line we just to assign the 10 value to the variable j, and 16 line we just to print out the normal value of j, and 17 line we do the post increment. It means that like the j flat, it means it will be print out the first value first, and then it increase by 1. For the 17 line will be so the value 10, and the 18 line will be so the 11 value. It's I show you the result. It will show like this. For the increment will be plus with 1, and then so, and the post increment it will be calculate the original, and then it increase by 1, like this. For my explanation about increment now finish, and next we saying about discrement operator. And what is the discrement operator? Discrement operator is the inverse from the increment, that it reduce the value of a variable, and the operator to decrement operator is used by sign plus, minus, and this operator also will serve to reduce the value from a variable with a value of 1. And now I show you the whole code in decrement operator. In first we have the declare the data type have integer that have a variable k, and float have a variable r, and we assign the 100 to k and 10.5 to r, and then we for the first on the 14 line we just to print out the normal value of k, and the 15 line we do on pre-decreasement. It means that will be it minus with 1 and then so it means that it will be minus 1 and so it means for the discernment will be so the k reduce 1 it will be so 99 and the 16 line it will show the 1999 also and the 18 line we just to show the normal value of L 10.5 and 19 L flash it means that post decreasement like it reverse from the pre-decreasement. It means the value of L not reduced by 1. It will show first and then it reduce. For the 19 line will be show the 10.5 and the 20 line show the 9.5 because it get the value post decreasement. Yes, now I will show you. Yes, the result. For now I explanation about decreasement in this code is finished, and the next point I will be show you about arithmetic operator. And before we explain on code, we must know what is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are used to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. And all apply arithmetic operator for integer or point float. And this code is the example for the all arithmetic operator. In the first arithmetic operator, addition, 2 addition 2 plus 3 and 10 minus 5 and 4 multi 3 and 4 divide 2 and 10 modulus 3. It's simple. Now I will show you the result. It will be so like this. And the explanation, the arithmetic operator, it finished. And next I show you in the logical operator. And what is the logical operators are used to generate the true value and false, and this value is known as Boolean. And in C++ it is usually true value represented by the value 1 and false is represented by 0. And let me show you the whole code in use the logical operator. For the n, if mean that if have another value was false, it will show false, like 1 and 0. It will be so the 0, it means 4, and this also, and this also, but it except the 1 and 1, it means the true and true, it will be true, like this. And for the operator or, if have any the value 1 true, it will be so true like this. 1 or 1 it will true, 1 or 0 will true, 0 or 1 will true, but except the 0 or 0 it will be so the 4. And the next operator not, it means that not 1 it means 0, and not 0 will be 1. Now I will show you the result. Yes, it's mean like this: 1 and 1, true and true, true, 2 and 4, 4, 4 and 2, 4, 4 and 4, 4. It for the operator and the operator or is true, true or true, true, true or false, true, false or true, true, but 4 and 4 is 4. Yes, and the operator not 1 it means 4, and not 4 it means true, like this. And now for my explanation about logic is finished. Yes, and the next I told you about the Bitwidth operator. And what is the Bitwidth operator? Bitwidth operator is useful to perform operations associated with manipulating bits, and Bitwidth operator can only be done on operand type char and int, because it relates directly to the type or byte or word in a bit. And also I told you what is the difference between the Bitwidth and logic. Bitwidth different with logic, like Bitwidth operator work with bit by bit, and logical operator work for each value. And now I explain you the word code here. In first, we declare three variable integer u, v, w. For u equal 1 with assign value. For this symbol we call it leaf shift, and for leaf shift we calculate with multi with 2 for the right one, and if the right 2 we multi with 4, and if 3 we multi with 8. And the next for the 17th line we have declared three variable integer x, y, z. For the assign also we call it right shift, and right shift work on divide with 2. For the 16 will divide with 2 for the 1 bit, and for 2 bit will divide with 4, and 3 bit will divide with 8. Yes, like this. And for the 25 line we 45 line and 26 we declare two variable integer, like a assigned by 1 and b 0. And for the 78 and 77 we just to print out the value of a and b. And for the symbol not a, it means the a assigned by 1 it not will be so 0, and b will be so 1. And for the a and b for the A store 1 and 0. For B will be so the 1, and for the or symbol also will be so 1, because A have value 1 and B 0. If any of the A and B have 1 will be so 1, and for the A so B like this also. And will be, I show you the result. The result will be like this. For the leaf shift will be multi with 2 for 1 bit, and 2 bit for and 3 will be edge like this. And for the right shift will be divided with 2 for 1 bit, into bit 4 and 3 bit edge like this. For my explanation about this is finished. Hello, in this point I will show you how to use the ternary operator. For first, we should know what is the ternary operator. Ternary operator is an operator that is used in operation involves 3 operands. The operator is used to express operator question mark, and the underlying concept of the operation is a bifurcation based on certain condition. And next, I show you the word code in here. For first, we declare the variable h have integer, and then we print out the masukkan nilai h, and then we input the value h. And for the h also, if we input the value less than 0, it will be so the minus h, and after we will show the value h. It's like we show you now. Yes, for if I input the 9, it will be so 9. For this condition, if the different from the h equal h less than 0 will be so h, like I show you. And if I input the minus 7 will be so the minus 7. If we summarize for this statement, it means that if true, it will show this minus x. If false, it will show this like this. And for the explanation about how to use ternary, it's finished. And thank you for you all that watching my clip.